That's the current council offices. Now I'm going to show you, as part of this video, what the old council offices used to look like and where they used to be. They've recently reopened as a shop, one of the best new shops in St Anne's. I'll show you that in a minute. Right, let's go into town. So just to show you how close everything is, the pier is behind me, it's where we just come from. And if I switch it round, there we go, town. I told you St Anne's was small. What we'll do, we'll take a wander up the main high street, show you some of the shops, some of the new shops that are open in St Anne's, and then we'll come back via Wood Street on our way back home, show you the cafes, restaurants and other new shops that have opened in the last 12 months. Come with me. Right, we're in town now, and I'm going to just take you up the right hand side of the high street, show you some of the new shops. We'll start with the Edinburgh Woolen Mill. Now for those of you who have been here before, you'll know that's not new. It used to be on the left hand side, but they moved. And they've included pond and home interiors as well. So that's one of the new areas. Next to the office, lovely bar and restaurant. Does good karaoke, but Georgina didn't tell you that. We'll make our way up the high street. And you can see there where the clock face and tower are, the old J.R. Taylor building. I'll explain a little bit about that in a minute, but that's undergoing renovation at the moment. So we'll make our way up. This is Orchard Street, one of the link roads between Wood Street and the High Street. A couple of cafes up there. Make our way up. Now on the right hand side, let's show you this. In the sunshine, we've got one of our favourite Italian restaurants, Allegria. And we'll just cross the road and I'll show you the newest shop in St Anne's, Salt Rock. So if you're after a fleece, a skateboard, anything surfy really, fantastic clothing shop. Usually always has a sale on. It's half term at the moment. 20% off. Right, the old J.R. Taylor's building. Look at this. Okay. So this has been in development, gosh, for about 5 years, something like that. It's going to be something called the Sanctuary, which includes a restaurant, a spa, a rooftop bar, and the company who are renovating it have taken pains to make sure that it's restored as best it can be. And what they're actually doing, which is why the delay has been so long, is taking away all of the stonework, cleaning it and putting it back. So it's going to be a gleaming jewel of St Anne's by the time it's finished. That's the hope anyway. Right, we'll make our way up the high street. And then we'll make our way across to Wood Street.